Let ABCD is a convex quadrilateral and BAC angle is given as 50 degree and CAD angle is 60 degree. And both the angles are right, are given. And we have to find E is the intersection of these two. We have to find AEP. So obviously we have to start with the angles and we have to start with the figures, right? How this is going to be. So first I'll create a quadrilateral. Maybe something like this, right? Anything like this. Not in the symmetric form, so quadrilateral, right? A, B, C, D. Right, I'll start with A, B, C, and D. Which BAC, this is the angle given as 50 degree, right? CAD, okay. The next correspondence to this is given as 60 degree. And BDC, again, I'll change the color. BDC is 25 degree. And CBD is 30 degree, right? So this is the quadrilateral, right? So, and we see that this is the quadrilateral. See one thing now. One thing we have to be very sure with these type of question. What is that? Can you see this angle is 25 and this is 50, and this angle is 30 and this is 60. Maybe in some of the other case, maybe the questions are given in the form of ABCD is a square or rectangle, and one of the angle given as 45 degree. So the key point of this is the other angle, right? Whatever it is given, other angle is given as, right? Given as double of that. What I'm saying, I'm just creating a square or rectangle, right? A square or rectangle, and just I'm taking this angle as 45 degree. If this angle is 45 degree, right, one of the angle, maybe here, this angle is 45 degree. Right, obviously, if it's square, this will be, right, if rectangle or any other portion, right? And we know that this is 90 degree. So this angle is double of this. And in this case also, I can see this angle is half of this angle, as well as this angle and this angle having the same property. This one will be double, 60 will be double of 30. So if questions are given in this form, so what you have to understand, if one angle is double of other and the like two of the cases are given. So can I say this, if I'll form a circle with center at maybe, right, center at A, right, something like this. Excuse me for this figure, but this this is the circle, right? And the circle having center at A. This is the center. And can I say, if for this triangle, if you see this, I'll make with this CBD. right? This angle is 25 and this angle is 50. What is the meaning of this? Right? This angle is 25. So, right, in a circumference, the angle is half that we are making with the center. With the same thing, you can see if this angle is 30 and this angle is 60. Is this okay? So from this I can say कि 100% we are sure कि this एक थोड़ा सा अलग से figure बना लूं, right? I'll draw the figure. This ABCD I'll do this. First, I'll make a circle. A is the center of this, and BCD is the point of circumference. Now, this is my figure, right? A, B, C, D, right? Okay. This angle was 50. This was 60. This was 30. And this is 25, right? Now, I guess my scenario is clear, right? And now I know exactly how to get all the values. See, if I'll take this triangle, ABC1, right? What is the special case in this? These two are the radius, right? These two are the radius AB and AC, right? Both are the radius, and this angle is 50 degree, right? So rest of the angle in this case, right? This angle and this angle I'm able to find. Is this okay? Right? What is this angle? Now you can try, and this angle is 60 degree, so I'm able to find these two angles. And this is the point E. Right? This AC and BD intersect at E, and what I have to find? I have to find AEB. AEB, this angle. Right? This will be 65, and this is the exterior angle of these two. So I guess this is directly coming as 95 degree. One of the simplest. Right. Or else, if you are going through all the right different method or something, so that could be a big problem, or just lot many variation we have to use to get the values. Is this okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right? Please see this carefully. So just you have to pick the point. Now, if two of the angles are given as these two are the half of the angle, and corresponding to that angle, it's given right double of that angle. Right. That was the hint. Right. That was the hint. Right. And this we have to create. Right. This we have to create exactly how to get right like how we will be able to see the circles, right? The cyclic quadrilateral will be always like most of the question, the good question in IOQM or in RMO. Most of the question you have to start with that only. We have to start with the basic thing, like we have to create some circles, right? If I'm able to create the circle, so we'll be able to see exactly how we'll get the angles, right? This will, we have to just by doing the questions and all now, we'll do that. Now, no worry. Okay. So this is one of the question. Now going for the second one, right? This is simple, right? So, but the calculation, as I said now, the calculation is required. Let ABC be an equilateral triangle. Let P and S be on AB and AC respectively, and Q and R be points on BC such that PQRS is a rectangle. If PQ is equal to √3 PS and area of PQRS is 28 √3, find length of PC. We have to do lots of questions on this circle. Huh? No worry. Just I'm giving you the some of the examples. Okay, what we have to do, right? We have to develop the circular one. As I said, you have to draw the figure, right? Question is clear now.
Yes, sir.
This is simple one, right? Just you have to draw the figure and go for this. Okay. Take your time. Take your time. Very good, Katani. Very good. एक बार कैलकुलेशन चेक कर लेना. Very good, Anushka. Very good, Aryan. Not bad. Sanjana, good. Very good. Let's start. See, it is given ABC is an equilateral triangle, right? P and S on this, and blah, 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 right? So let's draw the figure first. So just an equilateral triangle. These are simple questions. Just we have to crack this. A, B, C. Last one was a difficult one, right? Shama, very good. ABC, equilateral triangle. We have to form a rectangle in this. P, Q, R, and S. This is 60-degree, right? PQRS, area of this right? This area is given area of PQRS is 28 root 3, right? 28 root 3 angle 60 is given, right? Means PQ into RS, so PS. PQ into PS is 28 root 3, and the relation between these two is given PQ and root 3 PS, right? So I can find this root 3 PS square is 28 root 3. Cancelling out. So PS is 2 root 7. And similarly, we can find value of PQ also, right? PQ and PS both are possible, right? Now, if one value is this, and we are able to find, right, PQ, and this is 2 root 7 again, right? And PS and root 3 time is given, right? So tan 60-degree is equal to PQ by B of Q, right? PQ and BQ, and PQ is nothing but root 3 PS upon BQ, and this is root 3 only. PS is equal to BQ. Is this okay? So again, this length is coming as 2 root 7. And by symmetricity, right, I'm getting this length as 2 root 7, right? So now I have to find PC. This P to C. This length is we have, and this length I have, right? PQ is 4 into 21 plus this is 16 into 7, something now under root of this. What you are getting? Oh, 196.40. This is PC. How many of you got this? Is this okay? Simple, only the basic calculation. And I know you can solve this by various methods. Various method. You can apply lot many things in
But
this.
I did by cosine rule.
Very good. Very good. A very simple question, a straightforward question. This was from IOQM only, right? So you always find IOQM questions are very simple, but the calculation part is important, right? That you have to do. Now, calculation part is always there, and that will create some problem, right? Please note down, do it fast. What happened is इस बार सिंपल बनना।
सर फिर डायग्राम गलत ड्रॉ किया, मतलब क्वेश्चन
हाँ
गलत
सर।
लिखा था।
ओ,
लाइक क्वेश्चन सही था लेकिन डायग्राम में थोड़ा सा प्रोपोर्शन थोड़ा बिगड़ गया था।
ओ। Now, next one, again a simple question. So please careful everyone, right? Let ABC be a triangle such that AB is equal to AC. Suppose the tangent to the circle of ABC at B is perpendicular of AC. Find angle ABC. This is again simple, very simple question, right?
Sir, is a doubt in the chat.
Yes. May I draw the diagram?
Yes, sir. Because like I'm not able to get how is B perpendicular to tangent of B perpendicular to AC here.
Yeah, yes, sir, same.
ABC is but this is tangent at B na. Nine. Are you getting this? C and this point. Let this point is P. Is this okay? And a very simple question. Just the diagram. If diagram is drawn now, so 100% like in a 1 or 2 line, you will get the answer. Okay, Sanjana?
Yes, sir.
So next question I'll give you of geometry for homework. Then we'll go for our function equation. Now,
Functional equation. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
but this question is very simple, right? Only just go for the angle chasing and all, you'll be able to get the answer. And in next lecture, we'll do most of concyclic points questions, right? Or concyclic theory, right? So please. Right angle what? Kavyam?
Sir, I'm getting ABC angle A as 90 degrees.
Angle A
But
is 90. What we have to find? Angle A 90, so diameter, it will be diameter, huh?
yes, sir, but
But I have to find B na. Angle A 90.
Sir, if angle A is 90, then B will be 45.
Angle A 90, then like is difficult to.
Yes, it's not angle is 90, then it's not possible actually.
no.
Because
I'm
in triangle
getting
ABP, it
B.
is already in triangle ABP, there is a 90 degrees. So it's not possible in BAC.
Arre nahi, he is saying BAC is 90. So if
It's
that,
not possible itself, sir, because
Sir,
in
it's
angle
not
basis.
possible.
Yes,
that
sir.
Yes, sir, it's
Angle
not possible.
angle BAP would be 90, and it's not possible since angle BP is already 90.
So just check.
That means BAC will definitely be an obtuse angle.
So I'm typing the answer in the chat.
Okay. Good, good, good. Very good. So we have to find angle A.
One minute.
Send your solution. Very good. Very good, Tanmay. Very good. May I? May I start? This is a straightforward question. Very good, Kavya. This is a straightforward question. Directly, you have to go for the
Sir, I've sent.
very good. Perfect. Just one line. See. Okay, everyone. See. Let this angle is some alpha. So 100% this angle will be alpha. Now this is given AB is equal to AC. We know that by property ki if this is the tangent, so this angle must be equal to this one. So this one be again alpha. And we know that this is the exterior angle of this triangle BAC. So this will be 2 alpha and not required at all, right? We know that sum of this plus this plus this is equal to 180, or sum of 2 alpha plus alpha is equal to 90 degrees. So alpha is equal to 30 degrees. Is this okay? Very good, class.
Sir, we can do by alternate angle theorem.
Yes, yes. Right. The best part is this, just you have to understand like this angle, again going for this one, right? One liner, just that's it. In one line, we'll be able to. Now, see, one question first. I'm giving you. This is in a triangle ABC. ABC, DEF are on BC, CA, and AB respectively, so that AE is equal to AF is equal to CD is equal to 2, and BD is equal to CE is equal to 3, BF is equal to 5. If DE and CF intersect at O. Find OD by इसकी value. First question, note it down. One more question I'll give you. And they both will be your homework. Just you have to try, and possibly you have to send answer. Okay, done everyone.
Sir, noted.
Then the second one. And this is in an acute angle triangle ABC, points D, E, F are located on the sides BC, CA, and AB respectively, such that CD by CE is equal to CA by CB, and AE by AF is equal to AB by AC, and BF by BD is equal to BC by BA. Done. Then what you have to prove is prove that AD, BE, and CF are the altitudes of triangle ABC. Right? Okay, everyone? Done?
Yes, sir.
Both are very good question, and obviously, like, we have to learn so many new things from this, right? So I hope you'll try that, right?
Sir, can you show the first one again? Yes.
Done? F. Now I'm starting function equation, right? Fn to n, Fn plus twice of f of Fn. Last, we are doing the composite function in this form, f of Fn form. So Fn plus twice of f of Fn, right, is equal to 3n plus 5. Find all such function Fn. Take your time. This is a good question. So take your time. You have 4 minutes for this. Send me this, Save. Okay. The most important part now, this is given for n to n. So first hint is you have to think in a way like we can use the numbers in this, right? We can use the values in this to finding the function. अभी हम थोड़ा सा और आई गेस गड़बड़ होगा इसमें आई गेस एक बार चेक करना check this on the numbers. वेरी गुड रिसिट चेक करो एक बार उत्कर्ष नॉट बैड एक बार और चेक कर लो उत्कर्ष गोइंग गुड रिसर्च थोड़ा और आगे जाना पड़ेगा राइट बहुत जल्दी हो जाएगा कंक्लूड करने का ये शुड आई स्टार्ट
Sir, 1 minute.
ओके Aryan, good one.
Yes, sir.
Good,
Yes, sir.
good, good, very good. Let's start. क्या लगाया उत्तर से एक बार भेजना मेरे को प्लीज.
सर 1 मिनट फेयर करके भेज रहा हूँ.
अच्छा, चलेगा वैसे. Just I have to get an idea कि exactly. See. So from the like this question, f of obviously the minimum value what we can put is right 1, right? Minimum value that I can put there is 1. So f1 plus twice of f1 is equal to 8, right? And this is given that it's going from n to n. So the minimum value f1 can take is 1 and all the other values will be greater than the values, right? But few of the observations are there, right? We can't just like say ki just we can ignore this, right? So we can't ignore few of the observation, right? First is, if I can see this is multiple of 2, this is even number, so 100% if it's going from natural number to natural number, so it must be f1 must be even. First, right? First observation. Fair enough, right? And the second observation is the minimum value of any of f of f1 is like, I'm saying 1. So minimum, like, so this value minimum is going for 2. If this going for 2, so f1 must be less than 8. Second observation. So from these two, 100% I can say f1 is even, and right, this must be less than 8. So the values will be either 2, 4, or 6. Is this okay? So first thing, what we have to create, right? First thing, what we have to build, and this is the formation. Right? This is the formation, okay? I hope everyone is getting up to this step. Tanmay, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Katyani, okay. Sanjana, Kama, everyone, Anushka, Pratyush, okay. So now, let's start with the higher one, right? So suppose f1 is equal to 6, case first, right? Our claim is f1 is equal to 6. So if I'll put f1 is equal to 6, right? So if f1 is going for 6, so what is the value of f of 6? We can find that, right? So we'll put this on 1. So f1 is 6 plus twice of f of 1 is equal to 8, or f1 is 6, so 6 plus twice of f of 6 is equal to 8, or f of 6 is equal to 1. right? From this, I'm getting if f1 I'm putting as 6, so f6 I'm getting as 1. So in the original equation, if I'll put 6, so obviously, if this is our claim is right, then I can say the original equation will take this as f6 plus f of 6 is equal to 18 plus 5. Right, right. So f6 is 1. So twice of f of 1 is equal to something absurd is coming from this. Right. So this is not true. Are you getting this? Right. Now it's your job. Try for f1 is equal to 4. Do it fast. Try for f1 is equal to 4. Is this satisfying or not satisfying? I hope everyone is getting this point. Okay. So first claim is not working on this, right? So the second one, right? f1 is equal to 4. Twice of f1 is equal to f4 is equal to 2, right? Good, good, good. Not satisfying? So again, I'll put this, given this one. For 4, na? No? So everyone is okay with this? The 4 is not satisfying. f4, the value is not satisfying. So the third value, f1 is equal to 2. I have to just check this one. Right. If f1 is equal to 2, f1 plus twice of f1 is equal to 538. f1 is equal to 2, to twice of f1 is, we are claiming 2. So this is f2. So this will be 6. f2 is equal to 3. Oh, wow. Now this is working, I guess so, right? So f1 I'm getting as 2 and f2 I'm getting as 3. So similarly, I can go for right. So, okay, everyone. Can you check this? Right. So from this, we can claim that since this is the linear में ही combination बन रहे हैं. So from this, I can claim that fn is equal to n plus 1. Right. Fn is equal to n plus 1, right? And if I'll put the value for fn is equal to n plus 1 both sides. So this is n plus 1 plus twice of f of n plus 1 f of n is nothing but n plus 1, right? That I have to find. So this is n plus 1 plus twice of n plus 2. And this is coming as 3n plus 5. So, like what we are assuming is just sufficient to prove this. Just see this. Few of the question you will get like directly you are into the answer.
So the solution which I sent you, so I made a mistake in it.
How you are getting 5 by 3 or some number?
So that is one I made a mistake.
Good, 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 good. I hope you all understand now. So in the composite function, like maybe possible you will get right. Few of the numbers are very important, right? If you are able to see the numbers now, so right, like will
Can you show the page where we got the value fx equals to 124 or 6 only?
see fx is equal to
Sir, f1 equals to 24 or 6 only.
this was there, na? See,
सर नहीं वो ऊपर हमने किया था हाँ सर f1 should be okay sir thank you.
done everyone?
Yes, sir.
You can make the split of this also, right? You can make the split of the numbers also, right? So that could be working in this. So variations, so like we have to deal with the variations. And see, one of this, the question, right? That's very important, I can say, okay, for the conceptual, right? When we have to go with the concept of this, the function. Just a minute, I'm just giving you. F of n is equal to n plus 1987, right? For n to n, right? Can we find function for this, right? Or what is the function on this? Very good, Kavyam. Wow, very fast. This is a very good question for concept clarity, right? Concept clarity. Now, this is a very good question, right? When we have to seek exactly how this will work. Yes, yes. But this is a question like usually this question, Aryan will ask this type of question. He said, this is a question from 1987 now.
Sir, is it?
Yes, yes.
दिख ही रहा है
जब भी आंसर आ जाए ना, वैसे एक बार जरूर रीचेक कर लेना फंक्शन पे पुट करके कि एग्जैक्टली द फंक्शन इज वर्किंग फॉर दैट और नॉट.
Okay, sir.
Huh? If that will work for function, then only I can say, okay, this is my solution. May I start? Should I?
So one
Two
more.
minutes.
Okay. Not bad. If one is okay, then but this is the question for n to n, na? This function is for n to n, na? Including 0. That natural numbers to natural number n to n. So the fraction, the fraction will not be the answer on this.
So like constant cannot be the fraction.
True. Very good. Good observation. Start with the basic, right? Start with the basic. What type of function is this, right? How this is going to behave? What are the values for 0, 1 or something, right? Should I start? Say.
So 1 minute.
Okay. See. First thing, first observation on this is, that I'm saying f of n1 is equal to n1 plus 1987, and f of n2 is equal to n2 plus 1987. If I'll equate both f of n1, right? I'm saying let n1 is not equal to n2, right? N1 is not equal to n2, but f of n1 is equal to f of n. So from this I'll get, right, if both are equal, so some value f of n, both are taking same values, f of n So f of n is n1 plus 1987, or f of n is nothing but n2 plus 1987. And if I'll equate both, so I'm getting n1 is equal to n2. So our claim was that n1 is not equal to n2, and I'm getting n1 is equal to n2. Means this function must be injective. Means 1, 1. Right? 1-to-1 function. Right? The function must be 1-to-1 function. Is this okay? Right? Now you have to apply, if this is 1-1 function, then I have to apply key, okay, such type of 1-1 function are possible for the values or not, right? First, we are assuming, then we are concluding that. Just we want to prove this, this is 1-1 function. Just we want to prove this, this must be 1-to-1 function. That's the reason we have taken that. Right? So now, are you able to get any of the functions such that we are getting like this f of fn is equal to some value? Function must be linear. Very good. Right. So, and the coefficient of n must be 1 also.
1.
Very good. Right. So these two observations are very good observation. The function fn or fx must be x plus c. Now apply this x of x plus c in this. Very good. So what the value c you are getting with? वैसे से सब कुछ निकाल चुके हो. Very good, कैसे? Very good, right? But any of this value will not give you 1-1 function. Getting this point, right? Very good. So from this observation, we have found that fn or fx is equal to x plus c on. So f of x is nothing but f of x plus c, and this will be x plus c only. And this is given as x plus 2c is nothing but x plus
Plus 1997.
87 क्या था? 1997, right? Whatever.
80.
Odd ही है मेरे पास, right? Means C I'm getting as 1997 by 2. So this is, so if I'll write
Sir, वो
down,
1987 है ना?
चलेगा बेटा, 1987, right?
Odd.
Odd है ना? फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. So, and this is 1-1 function, right? This is 1-1 function. So our claim is contradiction in this form. Right.
There are no functions.
There are no such function possible. So only the number 1987 that's create the magic. So start with the basic hole dhire dhire, like slow, right? Then just we'll be able to create something, right? Okay, everyone. Next one. This I'm giving you the continuous one, right? As I said, the continuous one, when we have to claim, right? We have lot many options, but we can't say ki Fn is equal to n, Fn is equal to n plus c. In that case, right, we have to work in that way, ki like we have to create some Cauchy or something function such that we can do something, right? So function is continuous. Find all continuous function f of x plus y into f of x minus y is equal to fx into fy the whole square. Right? So, like, good question. There's a little bit we have to do the work on this. It's a very good question, and all you know this, right? Only you have to concentrate, you are able to crack this. Very good, Sanjana. Very good. Very good. Should I start? Not bad, Kavyam, but long to go. Not only this value. This is only F0.
So just 2 seconds.
Okay. Everyone try to use Kochi. Try to use Kochi, right? So like, best way to get the solution is the Kochi one. Just check. See.
So
What-
one
Okay. Try to convert this in Kochi, right? You can take log both sides. Everyone, try for that. We can apply logarithm both sides. So maybe you are getting a good result. Okay. Very good, Kantani. Very good. N plus k, but I have to get rid of this n plus k. We have to just write down in f of nk or something. Then the function will be in that form. You will be able to. Okay. Should I start?
So 1 minute.
Okay. Very good question. Very good. Now, okay, let's start. See, first thing, what I was saying, this is extended form of, right? Extended form, right? So if I'll take log of f of x plus y plus log of f of x minus y is equal to twice of log of fx plus twice of log of fy, right? If I'm taking this function as g of x plus y plus g of x minus y is equal to twice of gx plus gy. Is this okay? Nahin? By observation, so we can see this, this and this is nothing but x plus y the whole square plus x minus y the whole square. You are getting this as x square plus y square. Right. So gx is nothing, right? Gx is the function, nothing but c x square, or fx is the function, nothing but xc square. Right, we can get the values of c and we can prove this, this is the function, this is coming, right? But initially we have to start with what is the value of f0 and all. But like in a formation game now, just I want to show you just we are able to connect the dots. Yes, Sanjana, ask please. Few more observations are there, as if I'll put value of x is equal to y is equal to 0. Right, so the number what I'm getting is f0 into f0 is equal to f0 to the power 4. So the value of f0 is either 0, 1 or -1. But we can see that this number is coming as positive, always, square of, and this number cannot be negative. So we can't claim that this is coming as a negative one. So this must be always positive, right? And 0 per the function will be always going into 0. So we can claim that f0 is equal to 1 is the function, right? Also, if I'll put y as x and x is equal to 0, so can we see this? If this function is coming as an even function. Is this?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. So we have not many things for like how we will get all the relations and all, right? But like I want to show you exactly how you are working for this. Right. Next. This is again a very good question, and just you have this question will remind you exactly how to work for the composite function. FR to R, right, have the following rule. First, f of x is equal to x for all x belongs to real number and x greater than equal to y, f of x greater than equal to f of y, right? Find such function. What is the definition? Second one is saying
Quickly increasing.
very good. This is an increasing function. Or like maybe non-decreasing function is the best word for this. Monotony. Very good उत्कर्ष, बहुत अच्छे. Kabul, tan inverse of inverse. It's not tan of tan inverse.
Yes, sir, sorry. Just
I understand that. Tan of tan inverse, but tan of tan inverse is not given in this, na, Sanjay? So this is the simplest one. You know why? Just we can claim that, na, what? Like x greater than y, right? So fx must be greater than fy. So f of, right? So f of x must be greater than f of x. So equality to we are not getting, and this is greater than x. So we are not getting the inequality in this, by equality in this, right? And if I'm claiming x is less than, then again I'll get the same thing, right? So this is possible only if I'm saying fx is equal to x. This must be the claim, and direct claim without any hesitation. Is this okay? Is this okay, everyone? Right? 1. Now in the composition, if I'm giving for find the continuous function f of x plus y is equal to fx plus fy, right? If function is given r to r. Try this. Again, a very good learning from this question, right? See this carefully. You can try this. Most of the question you can solve by Cauchy. Most of the question. But it's not that directly you are getting some Cauchy. Just we have to be careful, right? We can apply something, right? By the manipulation and all. Not bad, because this is not good. Every question you are applying just now, just check this.
सर मैंने लिख टाइप भी नहीं किया, सिर्फ कॉपी पेस्ट
Copy
किया.
paste. Very good, Kathani, Aryan, very good. Now the observation, very good. The observation is working, right? Now you can see, okay, ये तो दिख ही रहा है. Like I can apply this. Other than that, just I have to see. Very good, Kasib. But more of the functions may be possible, right? And we have to reach to that, or we have to conclude this, right? May I?
Sir, 1 second.
Very good, Rusi. Very good, beta. In fact, K is minus K. Should I start? Done, reserve.
Sir, you can start.
So 1 minute.
And you'll not believe this. You all are doing, most of the questions are from IMO only. In a both way, we can say, maybe our level is increasing, or maybe the questions are simple. that we have to believe. Yes, Kese. You heard right. Just use Kochi, right? If, and don't forget the method what I have given in last class, Keith, when you have to get the cyclicity, right? From the first class, we are doing that, the cyclicity. See, first I'm writing Pxy, right? So Pxy is nothing but f of, see this, see the trick. Now, this is very important for all f of fx, f of x plus y. And now I am putting this as x plus y and 0. See, now this is f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus y plus f0. Right? Now the value of f of x plus y is nothing but fx plus fy is equal to, very simple question. Right? We don't have value of f0. Right? We don't have value of f0. So let's suppose this is a. Right? Let's say it. हाँ देखना, इसलिए I said कि k की जगह minus k will work, right, in a good way, right? So subtract minus 2 from both sides. So f of x plus y minus a is equal to f of x minus a plus f of y minus a. क्या? g of x
इसको dx मान सकते हैं.
gx plus gy. Is this okay? Very simple, right? Just you have to go through only these two things. First, I have taken in place of x is x and in place of y is y. But second, I have taken in place of x is x plus y and in place of y is 0. Just trick them, right? I want f of x plus y, the value of f of x plus y in terms of fxy or f of x plus y. Right? If I'm able to get the value, that's always simple, right? And it's coming in a very good way. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. One last one, please. Just note down this, then I'll go for the last one. And I have given 2 questions, right? 2 questions of geometry, right? So from this week, we can start IOQM test. Huh?
So can we keep it every week?
Yes. That's the reason I said from this week can we start,
Yes, sir.
right? So, see, like
Sir, is it every week?
100% every week, and one of the session will be for discussion only every week. But obviously, like you all are having lots of classes and lots of engagement and all. So I'll give 2 or 3 days for paper, right? But religiously you have to do in like 3 hours time. And like I'll talk to your parents also for that, right? How you have to go for the examination, what time you have to go for the examination, all, and where you have to get the time, right? And what you have to use, what you have not to use for that, right? So maybe if possible, I'll recommend Sunday is one of the best day. The first half you can go for the test or something, or Saturday evening, right? That you have to decide, right? So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, right? In these 3 days, like any one slot you have to pick for the examination. So I hope you all okay, or all will be like you will be okay with this schedule. Okay, everyone. So see, Sunday we have lectures, right? So agar if you all decide, so I can shift the lecture from Sunday to some other day. But obviously, like you all have to decide that. Just a minute now.